RESTORE-LITE is the lightest temporary power restoration unit on the market. The system's lightweight and available hitch, compatible with trucks that have a 2-inch receiver, make it easy for one-person deployment. Follow these steps to properly set up and use your RESTORE-LITE unit. The first step is testing the power lines and isolating the bad leg of power. Then, follow your company's procedures for disconnection. RESTORE-LITE is now ready to be installed. When setting up the RESTORE-LITE temporary power restoration unit for meter use, start by turning the cam locks from the 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock position. After every use, it is important to remove the cam locks. If cam locks are left in place, they can be damaged during transport. It is important to note that RESTORE-LITE systems with the CT option included will not run for more than 5 seconds without the CT plug or CT coil properly installed. Install the ground lug provided on each meter head while following your company's specific installation procedures. When using the RESTORE-LITE system for pedestal installations, the same steps must be followed as outlined for meter use, while also adhering to your company's guidelines. Again, if your RESTORE-LITE has the CT option, the unit will not run for more than 5 seconds without the CT plug or CT coil properly installed. Once the connections are made, it's time to turn on the unit to begin restoring power. After the RESTORE-LITE system has been turned on, you will hear the fan on the front of the unit running. If the fan is not running and your unit has the CT option, check to be sure the CT plug and CT coil have been installed properly. For more information about RESTORE-LITE temporary power restoration systems, contact the experts at Allient.